Yes. Okay, so this is your concentrated solution, the 6 molar. And what we want to work with in lab is the 0.5. So we want to make this into like this. Okay? So now, you have a 6 molarity. And on your formula that we just did right now, you have V1 is a question mark. We want a 0.5, that's your M2. And we're going to do 50 milliliters, that's your V2. So the 0.5 times your 50 is how much? On your calculator. The 0.5 times your 50 milliliters is how much? 25. Now you're going to divide it by the 6 molar, because that's my concentrated solution. How many milliliters does that give me? Uh-huh. 4.16, so like 4.2, right? Okay, so what you're going to do is, out of the concentrated solution, you're going to actually measure out 4.2 milliliters. Okay. That's a little over. Now, on Friday, we'll get some pipettes. Okay. All right, there we go. So we're going to take our 4.2 milliliters. Now, I actually got distilled water from the prep room, because do we want to use the regular tap water? No, because you have minerals, you have calcite. Is that going to be pure water? No, it's not. So we're going to fill it up to the rest, to 50 milliliters. Okay, and now you're going to mix that. Okay, you see how this is now your 0.5 molarity, like this one. We see that? Okay, it's different than your original concentrated solution. We see the difference there? Can we see that or no? Okay. We see the difference there? This is now your 0.5. This is how we make that. This is what you're going to be doing on Friday. Okay? All right, let's go ahead and stop that.